Bing Image Creator is so awesome that you can use its AI to make 3D social media avatars for your favorite social media platform. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to make your own 3D social media avatar, how to make changes to the pic, and if you watch to the end, I'll also give you examples of how your business can take advantage of these 3D social media avatars. Welcome to the Biz Tech Hustle channel. No fake it till you make it business videos. So the first requirement in order to use Bing Images is that you actually need a Microsoft account. So after you actually have a Microsoft account, you can actually log into Bing and you can get to it from the Bing main page. So once you come in here, you can actually go to chats and that actually take you to Copilots. Now there is another way that you can go into it too, is you can actually go into, from the main page, go to images, and then you can go to create. And it also will get you directly into the image creator. But I actually noticed that when I go using image creator through Copilot, I seem to be able to generate images a little faster. So that's actually one way that you can actually go ahead and do it. So once you're actually into the Copilot, for this particular thing that we want to do is we want to create the 3D social media avatars. And essentially what you need to do is you actually need to go ahead and tell Copilot what you want to do. So we want to go ahead and give it a statement, and we're going to basically say that it's professional 3D illustration featuring, and then you can put your name, and then the action that you want the avatar to be doing, and then we're going to say next to the social media platform logo that you want to see, and any additional instructions that you actually want to have. So in this instance, we're going to actually go ahead and tell it to actually create an image, and we'll go ahead and paste what I actually had, and let's see what they actually give us. As you can see over here in the history, I've actually used it to create a lot of different images, because right now I actually find it pretty good. And there you go. We actually have it. We can take a look of those pictures. We actually click on it, and it gives us exactly what we asked for. And this one is actually pretty good. It actually has a image. Now you notice that it does not look like me, but it's a good avatar. It actually has the name of POP-Maize-N, and actually Gourmet popcorn is actually pretty correct. So it actually did what we actually asked it. This one gave it an extra N, but we can actually change that. The next one, oh, well, I gave it an extra E, but that's still not bad. And this one, well, this one is kind of messed up, but it's still images we can see. Now, one good thing is, like I said earlier, this one is really good. I actually like this one, but if I wanted to go ahead and change it, we can go here to customize. Once we go to customize, it'll actually bring up the Microsoft Designer, where actually will allow you to go in and actually edit the photo that you actually have. In this instance, the only thing that we want to do in this one was pretty minor. So what I actually would actually do is I will want to remove this extra in. So I will probably go down to visuals. Let's go and give it a shape. I'm thinking this shape can actually probably just cover up the other N if possible. I think that is good. And we want to go ahead and fill the color. So let's actually get the eyedropper. Let's use the color that's actually there. And that color is still just a little off. Let's see if we can go to eyedropper again and get the color just a little bit better. And let's see, color's still off a little. But I can probably guarantee you we can actually play with that, but most people probably wouldn't even notice it. So that's actually pretty good. Now I did notice that this is actually spelled wrong too, but hey, the main one is actually spelled good, and that's all I need. And I can go ahead and download that and save it for later. But once again, we're actually a business. So why would I create an avatar? Because right now, Bing Image Creator does not have the ability to create an avatar that looks like you. It actually is just creating an avatar from general images of people. So since once again, this is a business, why not actually make this type of social avatar to support your business? So next thing I actually went to do, we went through and we changed it a little, And I actually said, let's create a professional 3D image featuring multiple kids casually having fun next to a Facebook logo. The kids are laughing, wearing modern casual clothes. You want to say that because you don't want them to have like old time clothes or something from the 18th century or something. And the scene is set against a Facebook profile with the username of POP-Maize-N and a profile picture. So this one, is a little bit better. So, because I can use this for the business. So let's go and take a look. So the first picture came through, and it actually did create some kids look like they're having fun. So, but the only thing there that the name of POP-Maize-N is not there. You can see it's Facebook. So, if I was to use this, I would probably put my logo here. I would probably go ahead and do some editing and put my logo here so it can actually be seen. Let's see the next picture. So the next picture that comes up, once again, we got a little family. It has popcorn. For some reason, I guess it does not like my username of POP-Maize-N, but it actually did. Nah, it's still, they really kind of messed up. Even popcorn spelled wrong. So, and then this Facebook with an F, I probably wouldn't use this unless I once again edit this out and put my logo here. All right, this one is a much better. I actually like this one. This one actually got my name right, and it actually capitalized the N at the end. That picture can stay there because that's cool, and it looked like all the kids are having fun, and they're actually standing on a Facebook post. So you know what, this will be used in one of my social medias on Facebook. And then once again, also why not use this one? And this one also came out pretty good. They spelled POP-Maize-N correct, and it would have been nice if they were actually eating popcorn and stuff, but it looks like they're having fun, and I can still spin this to actually use it for a social media post. Since I was in the zone of creating 3D social media avatars, I created a couple of avatars for a local clothing store that will be or currently featured in a couple of videos on this channel. All right, so on this one we did a professional 3D illustration featuring multiple people with shopping bags next to a Facebook logo. The people are laughing and wearing modern casual clothes. The scene is set against a Facebook profile page with the username of Planet Vintage. All right, so great thing is that Planet Vintage is correct. Clothing is spelled just a little off, but the great thing is I got people laughing. So we came close, but we got a misspelling in the name. There's probably something we can do to kind of correct that. We can probably just shout that out. This one, Planet Vintage, no, that one can't really see the name, but you still got the people laughing and shopping and stuff. This one is 100% not even a name at all. So that's a no-go. This one, daggone, almost got close, except it was actually a M instead of an N. So out of all of these, there's probably only one that I would consider using. Let's see what we get with the customize.
A few moments later.
And there you go. So it looks like we can actually use image creator, and then if you go to customize, they have a built-in editor that'll let you actually tweak the pictures. Now that we have a Facebook social media avatar, we can use that picture for some in-store promotions to get customers to follow the store on Facebook. We can just take the picture and create a flyer that can be displayed in the store with the ability for the customer to scan a QR code or be taken to the Facebook page just by tapping the NFC area of the flyer. All of this is discussed in another video on this site. If you found value out of this, please share with other business owners that are looking for ways to use technology within their business. I have a lot more things that we are shooting and doing, so subscribe and like, and stay tuned for the next video.